In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Google Photos link, whether you're sending a single snapshot or an entire album. This quick process lets anyone with the link view what you choose to share. Start by opening a web browser and heading to photos.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that holds your photos. Once you're in your library, decide exactly what you want to share. You can select one photo, pick several photos at once, or open an album if everything is already organized together. To select multiple items, hover over a photo and click the check mark, then continue selecting the others you want included. If you've already grouped images in an album, click the album to open it before you share. With your item selected or your album open, look to the top right of the screen for the share icon. Click that icon to open the sharing options. From here, choose Create Link. Google Photos may ask you to confirm by clicking Create Link again. Go ahead and do that. In just a moment, Google Photos generates a unique URL. That link is what you'll send to people so they can view the photo or album. After the link appears, copy it and paste it wherever you prefer: an email, a chat message, or a document. Anyone who has that link can view the items you've shared, even if they don't sign in. Keep in mind that link-based sharing is convenient but broad. Only share it with people and groups you trust. If you'd rather keep it targeted, you can also share directly with specific Google contacts from the same share window. That creates a shared conversation, which keeps comments and activity in one place and makes it easy for everyone involved to stay up to date. A couple of quick tips for clarity. The link points only to the items you selected or to the album you opened, not your entire library. Viewers will see a high-quality version online without needing to download anything, though they may be able to save copies depending on their own settings. That's it. Go to photos.google.com, select your item or album, click the share icon, and create your link. Simple, fast, and ready to send.